How you have seen these cool different types of images that are all popping up all social media? These images are made with ChatGPT, and this is how to do it. First, go to ChatGPT and upload a picture. To upload a picture, hit the plus bottom. Once you upload the picture, you need to write a prompt, telling ChatGPT what you wanted to do with your picture. This is an example of a possible prompt you can use, but keep in mind that you can do anything you want, you just need to play a little bit with the prompt, and that is it. Use this image to create a picture of an action figure toy of a teacher in a blister package from head to toe with accessories including a dictionary, a ruler, a package of aspirins, and a laptop. The package should read Professor Sorius. The prompt must be very specific. Additionally, you can include information to change different aspects such as the color of the hair or the type and color of clothes. After you write the prompt, hit the submit button and send it to ChatGPT. This action can take some time, up to 2 or 3 minutes, and here it is, the new image. These are some other prompts. Turn this photo into a Simpsons character. Turn this photo into a Studio Ghibli style. We hope you can use this tool in your personal and academic projects.